KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I'm Shannon Becker. We're in Scotland, Missouri. I don't even know where that is. East 7th Street. Liberty Utilities are here. We're taking a look at storm damage. County Road 175. The crews here had to restring a line. There were a lot of limbs down on a couple of their feeder lines. About 50 people were out of power. And most of it, I'm going to assume now, is restored. They're moving to a different location now. You can kind of see here in the distance, this is East 7th Street as you get onto I-44, that flyover bridge ramp. We'll tell you more about these storms here right now. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. I was in Joplin at our KOAM studios at 7th and Range Line. I didn't hear any kind of storms, we had like 4 drops of rain. I think it was 4 drops of rain at 7th and Range Line. Other people said they got a lot of rain. So here at County Lane 175, this is people have told me, neighbors told me this is an office for a trucking company. A sheet metal building has just been skinned. We'll show you again that sheet metal here that's into the field here on the west side of this trucking company. Also, they said a couple of the trailer boxes have been knocked over. No reports of any injuries, and like I said, they're getting the power back up now. I talked to one of my friends, Abby, whose mother lives out here, and she said it was pretty hairy for a little bit. If you tap your screen, click the bit link, more details there. Doug Hetty, I called him. He did say that it was about 5:20 when that storm cell would have moved through here, he believed. Let me get my camera here. There it is. So there's metal there, then all scattered here through this field and up along a fence. And that is East 7th Street that you see people driving. We're outside of Joplin. We're to the east, but they still call it 7th Street. Also, Cimarron is where it gets its name too. And then here, it's not confirmed, but we were told that this is part of the trucking company here, this building. It appears it was just kind of skinned almost. I contacted the Duenweg Fire Department. This is their jurisdiction, their area, and they said they had heard nothing about any reports of damage or anyone injured. You can see here a lot of limbs down, big limbs. And then, hey, I was just talking about the Duenweg Fire Department. Nobody called you guys? I sent some pictures of Ronnie, so. All right. Yeah. He's the chief of the Duenweg Fire Department. I sent him to Ronnie King, so I sent him to. That was Gary. Feel bad. I kind of turned around and there he was. I don't like to surprise people like that. Limbs down here. I talked to a lady about 2 blocks up, and she said that she had her power line was down to the house, but I believe the Liberty gentleman already fixed that for her. You have any storm damage where you are? Let us know about it, or if you see anything. Some large pieces there. And then here are those Liberty trucks that were with us just a few minutes ago. Scotland is a very, very small, unincorporated town. County Lane 175 and East 7th Street. I think they were saying thanks for the tips. I think that's what they're telling me, something like that. Scotland is really just a few streets, like a little small block area. Probably 100 years ago, it was a real hopping place. I know in Carterville it was raining really hard. My friend David had sent me some pictures. There was a motorcycle collision with a vehicle. An older gentleman suffered non-life-threatening injuries, a collision with a car. Was transported to a hospital. So that's the sign that takes you to I-44, that flyover, eastbound I-44. We're just to the west of the Terra Motel, maybe about a mile. Hey, hey! Duenweg Fire Department, they're out. Taking a look at the lines, taking a look at trees, making sure everybody's okay. And I didn't hear anybody call for any assistance or service, but they're coming out just to check. Yeah, tap your screen, click the bit link. KOAM News Now. Joplin News First. Remember, if it's live and breaking, there's only one place you'll find it. It'll be right here at the dead end.